Hey there, puzzle explorers! Are you ready for some super duper Cocomelon fun today?
Look at those mystery blocks. Can you help JJ find his head? I bet it's a triangle!
2, 1, go!
Oh, silly. Heads aren't triangles, they're round. Let's slide that piece right into place. Click!
Whoa, a giant dinosaur is joining the party. Quick, count with me. 1, 2, 3, go!
That's it! Keep matching those shapes while our dino friend cheers you on. You're doing amazing! Rhythmic matching time. Can you tap your screen every time a piece fits? Pop, pop, perfect!
Beep, beep! Here comes the brave firefighter. Does he need his hat or his hose to finish the puzzle?
Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you.
Point your finger at the toy that belongs in the box. Is it the bear? Yes. Tuck him in nice and snug.
The devil under your feet, you on your way to see him. Stress me when I can't sleep. Bang up, I say right foot creep. Oh, I'm walking with that heater.
We did it! Everything is matched perfectly. Let's celebrate with a big, loud cheer. Hooray!
I say right foot creep. Oh, I'm walking with that heater. Look around, stay low.
Boom! Look at those fireworks. You guys are absolute puzzle masters. See you next time, superstars!
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to match some yummy treats with Red Devil, Black Shadow, and Green Monster?
Ooh, look at that hot dog! I bet the Red Devil is going to eat the popsicle first, right?
Actually, he is diving right into that fluffy cake. Yum! That looks super delicious. Check out the Green Monster. He is picking up a fuzzy kiwi fruit. Can you say kiwi with me? Kiwi!
I bet that dessert is a giant chocolate cupcake. Wait, maybe it's a broccoli monster snack?
Look at Black Shadow go. He's carefully rolling up that sushi. So precise.
Crunch. He's munching on an Oreo now. I love cookies, don't you?
Pop! Confetti everywhere! We did it, team! You all did an amazing job matching those snacks today.
That was a blast! Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more fun games.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Look at all our forest friends gathering today, from Mario to Kirby.
Whoa! Check out those mysterious shadows. I bet a Goomba lives in that big one over there.
Actually, those are our brave heroes. Can you help us match them to their shapes? Click! Mario slides right into place. Luigi is next. Match the green hat to the silhouette.
Boing! They fit perfectly. You're doing amazing, superstar.
Watch out for the Boo. Slide him into his spooky shadow. Then find Yoshi, that silly Goomba.
Pop, pop, pop! Everything is falling into place just like magic. What?
Last ones. Kirby and Toad are ready to join the party. Let's snap them in. 3, 2, 1, clack!
Ta-da! The forest is complete. You are a puzzle master. High five!
Hey everyone! Are you ready to play with JJ and his friends? Let's solve these shadows.
I think that shirt goes on his head. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Oh, silly! Shirts go on our bodies, not our heads. Let's slide it into place. Click. Look at that rhythm. Matching clothing is so much fun with Cocomelon.
No. Wait.
It fits perfectly. You did it. The outfit is complete.
Oh my God!
Whoa, everything is moving so fast now. Where are we going next?
We are exploring new scenes. Can you spot the blue ball hiding in the grass?
I see it. It's right there next to the yellow bucket. Zoom, zoom, let's grab it.
Whoa, look at him.
Great job finding the toys. Household objects are always full of surprises. Focus, everyone. We are almost at the finish line. Stay sharp.
Yay!
Woohoo! Look at those stars sparkle. We are puzzle masters today.
Beep, beep, here comes the toy car. Watch it zip across the screen. Bright colors and happy faces make this puzzle the best one yet. You solved every single piece. You are a super puzzler. See you next time, friends. Welcome, everyone. Are you ready for a super tasty food adventure with our funny friends? Nom nom nom! Red creature is grabbing a yummy sandwich! I bet it's got cheese!
Slurp! That drink looks so refreshing. Does it taste like strawberries or maybe grapes?
Whoa, look at that shadow creature go! He's eating sushi, sandwiches, and even a cupcake!
Green creature is having a sip now. Stay hydrated, little buddy.
Boom! Pop! Look at those beautiful fireworks! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Wow, the shop is full of treats. Can you spot the pink rabbit looking for a snack?
Good job.
Ooh la la.
Yeah!
Hell yeah! Oh yeah!
It is a snack relay. 1, 2, 3 bites. They are having so much fun together. did a fantastic job today, Superstars! Thanks for playing. See you next time. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Are you ready to match these characters? Let's go!
Whoa! Did you see that Goomba fly? It's zooming across the screen!
Look at all those faces popping up. Can you name them all, friends?
Go! I bet that Goomba belongs in the purple square. Should we try it?
Whoa, look at!
Princess Peach is showing off her best dance moves. Tap your feet along with her. Point your finger at the screen and help me pick the right character.
Oopsie, that's not a match. Maybe it's a silly lion hiding in there?
Go Mario, go! Jump, jump, jump! Collect those points, everyone. Wait, a red X? That means we need to find a better spot for our Goomba friend.
Bowser is joining the dance party. He looks ready to win this game.
Boom! Fireworks! You found the perfect spot for the Goomba.
Oh my God!
I was really hoping why don't you and I come together like we can change the world tonight.
Toad is hopping on those tiles. Isn't he just the cutest dancer you've ever seen? We did it! You guys are Puzzle Superstars. Thanks for playing. See you next time. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Mario and his friends are here for a super fun shadow challenge.
Is that a giant piranha plant? No, wait. That's just a shadow of a spooky boot.
3, 2, 1, go!
Great guess. But let's look closer. Which character matches that wiggly silhouette? Drag the little toad right into his dark spot. Kapow! He fits perfectly.
Kirby is hungry for a puzzle. Slide him into his shadow. 3, 2, 1, click.
Whoa, look at him!
Amazing work! Every single silhouette is filled with our colorful gaming buddies.
Oh my God!
Whoa! Look who crashed the party. It's SpongeBob and Squidward joining the fun.
You solved it all! You're a total puzzle pro. don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more. Welcome, Puzzle Masters. Are you ready for a super fun Mario challenge today?
Whoa! Is that Bowser? I bet he's planning something sneaky.
Yoshi joined the party. Can you count our friends on screen with me? 1, 2, 3! And there is the yellow toad. Our team is finally complete and looking ready for action.
Hey, look at those fluffy clouds. Do they hide the puzzle pieces?
Oh my God!
Let's snap these pieces right into their silhouettes. Click! That one fits perfectly. Keep going! You're doing a fantastic job matching those shapes together.
I think I see Yoshi's green shell coming together. Boy, boy!
Go, look at that progress. We are almost finished with our heroic crew. Just a few more clicks and ting! We've almost got the whole picture restored.
Yay! Boom! We did it! They look absolutely amazing, don't they?
High fives all around! Our friends are so happy we solved the puzzle. As a special treat, let's watch some awesome clips from the movie.
Wow, look at them go! It's like watching a real-life adventure unfold.
We're back! It was such an epic movie moment, wasn't it? Everyone is waving goodbye to you. Thanks for playing with us today. You were super smart.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to the wildest, most colorful matching adventure ever.
Whoa, look at JJ and the gang. Uh-oh, watch out for that swirling tornado. Whoosh!
Oh, a mysterious pug has arrived. Can you guess who is hiding behind those secret silhouettes?
3,
Time to play matchup.
1,
Grab JJ
go!
and slide him right into his matching shadow. Click.
Is it a cat? No, wait, that's definitely Tom Tom. You're doing so great, friends.
Now the music is pumping. Tap along to the rhythm as the characters dance across the screen. Can you count how many times they jump? 1, 2, 3, go!
You guys are rhythm masters. Keep matching those icons before the music stops. Zoom, zoom.
Fireworks for our puzzle champions. You did it. You're welcome, puzzle stars. Are you ready to match, dance, and play with our super fun friends today?
Whoa, look at those shadows. Is that a giant square? Maybe it's a pizza slice.
Not quite, silly. That's the outline for our friend the teacher. Let's find the matching head together. The clock is ticking. Quick, point to the right piece before the timer hits 0. 3, 2, 1, go!
Boing, boing! Now we're grooving on the rhythm tiles. Can you clap your hands to the beat?
Great job, everyone. Now let's help the baby find their missing puzzle piece. Where is it hiding? Look at that shiny star pop up! Boop! You guys are absolute puzzle masters today.
One last dance party to finish strong. Keep moving those feet and show us your best moves.
You were incredible today. Give yourselves a huge high five, and we'll see you next time for more fun. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Get ready for a super-powered guessing game adventure.
Boom! Who is hiding behind those colorful panels? Let's see them sparkle.
Can you spot the doggy? Get ready to solve the mystery in 3, 2, 1, go!
3, 2, 1, go!
I think Mario wears a tuxedo. Wait, is that right?
Not quite. Tap your fingers to the rhythm while we find the perfect outfit for our heroes. Focus now, friends. friends. Does the crown go to Peach or Daisy? Point to the right one.
Keep that beat going. Stomp your feet and dance along with Mario and Peach.
Ting! Yes! You matched them perfectly. You're a puzzle genius.
Wahoo! Look at Mario and Luigi go. Keep tapping, keep moving.
Another one bites the dust. Fantastic job matching those last pieces. Bowser is here, but don't stop the rhythm. Keep that energy super high. You did it! You're the ultimate puzzle master. Hit that like button and see you next time. Welcome, everyone. Get ready for a super fun puzzle adventure with our Cocomelon friends.
JJ and the gang are here. Hey guys, are you ready to play?
Whoa! These shadows are missing their friends. Let's find the right match for JJ.
Is that a giant pizza piece? Wait, that's not a head. Oops, my mistake.
Silly host. We need to match the shape perfectly. Click! That fits just right. Look at Dad. He's helping us sort these items. Can you spot what belongs to Cody?
Everything is coming together. Boing! These puzzles are so colorful.
Oh no, a wolf! Don't worry, he's just here to join the matching party. How friendly!
Yum! So much yummy food. Let's put the apple in the basket. Snap!
We did it. Every piece is in its place. Happy New Year, everyone! You are all puzzle masters. Welcome, puzzle masters, to the Grand Kingdom Challenge! Are you ready to save our friends?
Oh no! Luigi, Peach, and the gang are all gray and sad. Wah! I'm crying too!
Don't worry. We can fix this by finding the right snacks for Wario to munch on.
Go!
Is it a giant broccoli? No, Wario wants something sweet. Maybe a cupcake?
Yes! Snap! It fits perfectly. Look, the colors are rushing back to our heroes.
Yes!
Yay! Another match! Keep going, everyone. We are on a roll now.
I bet they are hungry for more puzzles. This is super fun, right?